Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-40C-PKG-SHRT product counter. This is going out to Western Material and Design, and it's going to be used to count the number of product during manufacturing. How this works is the reflective area sensor detects the objects and causes the digits on the enclosure to increment by 1. The client can use the Junction control box to reset or subtract a digit. So I'm going to showcase how this model is meant to work. So as you can see on our right hand side, we have our diffusive reflective sensor. So I'm just going to place my hand in front of it, and that causes it to add a digit. So I'm going to wave my hand in front of it again. It adds another digit. It can count up to a total of 9,999. And this is how they keep a tally of the amount of product that they're manufacturing. And this is what this model is going to be used for. So also on our right hand side, we have our junction box. And this is what we're going to be using to reset or subtract a digit. So in order to subtract a digit, you just press the black button, which is the decrement button, and that subtracts a digit. So in order to reset everything to 0, you just press the red button right here that says 0 reset, and that resets everything right back to 0. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, it is an aluminum 14 gauge fingerprint resistant casing that is 16 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and 3 inches deep. Its display size is a 4-inch LED digit that can be viewed up to 200 feet away. The number of digits that it has is 4 digits, and it can count up to a total of 9,999 by ones. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC power wall adapter with a 6 feet cord. For mounting, we have our 4x4 or 2x4 slotted teardrop electrical rough in-box knockouts that can be located on the back of the enclosure. And lastly, for accessories, we have our diffused reflective area sensor that is adjustable up to 10 inches. So in other words, it detects objects that are 10 inches in front of the sensor. And we also have our wired stainless steel environmentally sealed junction box with 25 feet of cabling. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital demonstrating our DC-40C-PKG-SHRT product counter. Thanks for watching.